Hi everyone, I got my curl kit. Well, everybody can see my curl kit. I haven't been on here in a while. And I washed my hair and blew it out. It has grown a lot since the last time I've been on here. So I want to show you my curl kit that I got. And this was a very unique box. I've never seen this type of products. Right here we got a eating deep conditioner. Let's see, deep conditioner, Eden's. It's real thick. Always like this conditioner. It's one of my favorites. And we also got Cream of Nature Argan Oil, Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. It's supposed to moisturize and activate define exotic shine. This is it right here. It smells like a nice smelling cream. So here, I guess this one do what was it, wash clothes? You can use this. Next thing I got is a BioSalute hand sanitizer. They put hand sanitizer in the box this time. First time ever I've seen that. And it's hand sanitizer. Everybody knows what that is, so I'm just gonna put it inside. It's by BioSalute. It says hand sanitizer, advanced kill 99.9%. And the next thing we received in the box is this right here. It's a Dominic Do-It-All Hydro Anti-Breakage Styling. Like a styling cream. It's a hair and skin cream made with shea butter. It's called Smooth and Gel. Let me see what it smells like. It smells good. It smells like a coconut stuff, like a coconut scent. So it smells like. And then this is what we have here. This is the first time I'm seeing this right here. It's like, got 3 of these. It's a color change shampoo, covers 100% of your grays. It's for natural and chemically tested, easy to use. Check it out. And it says it's for natural and chemically treated hair, and it's for both men and women. And it says it's supposed to leave it in 3 to 7 minutes. And it has natural plants and herbal extract in it. And this is a picture of what it looks like. And it says it comes with gloves. And it's a quick cover, it says, for your grays. And it shows a little difference of before and after. And that's it. That's what I received in my box this month. Yeah. So I guess this is our main box. And that's it. This box was really heavy when I received it too. Real heavy. And that's it. Thanks for watching.